Why do 70% of people fall prey to digital arrest scams? Let's find out. Welcome to our guide on avoiding digital arrest scams. Imagine this. You get a call from someone claiming to be a law enforcement officer. They say you're in big trouble and need to pay up to clear your name. Sounds scary, right? Here's the deal. Scammers are impersonating officials to trick you into sending them money. They might even switch to video calls on WhatsApp or Skype to make things look legit. But don't be fooled. Stay safe with these tips. First, be suspicious of any unexpected calls from officials. Real law enforcement won't ask for payments or banking details. Second, never give in to pressure tactics. Scammers want you to act fast without thinking. Third, verify their identity by contacting the relevant agency directly. And lastly, never share personal or financial info over the phone or video calls. If you think you're being scammed, report it immediately to the local police or cybercrime authorities. Stay vigilant and protect yourself from this emerging cyber threat. Stay safe, folks.